Okay, here's a situation where I have to fix one thing before I can work on something else. What I have here is your typical multi-turn toilet valve. Being as old as it is, it will not completely shut off. So anytime you go to work on the toilet, you're not able to completely shut the water off using this valve. It will always be dripping the entire time you're trying to work on your toilet. In this house, we have a shut-off that is inside. We have a panel here. There's a little note. It's labeled water shut off. You should make sure that everyone in the house that's old enough to understand what they're doing knows where the water shut off is in your house. In case you have a water leak and you're not home, you don't have to try to explain to somebody where the shut off is. And on this one, you'll see the note says look up because the valve is actually up there. So you have to reach up and shut it off. Now that the water is turned off, I can start to take this valve apart. First thing I'll do, I'll just get a crescent wrench here, or adjustable wrench, and I'll take the water line off of the valve. That's good, we have the line off the valve. We have no more dripping coming out of the valve, even with it turned on. So now we have to unscrew the valve from the pipe nipple. Pipe nipple is the piece of pipe sticking out of the wall here. So hopefully, perfect. I was hoping that the valve would unscrew from the pipe and not the pipe unscrew from something inside the wall. So, easy. Now I will clean these threads up. It's almost always easier to prep your materials before you assemble them. So we have the male pipe threads here. We'll put the Teflon tape on there before we put it behind the toilet because it's going to be hard to reach once we get it back there. So what we mean by quarter turn, this valve is on in this position, off in that position. You don't have to spin it around and around like the old valve. So now all we have to do is fit the new valve onto the pipe nipple. Get it lined up good. Get it started. Get the crescent wrench back on it. Okay, I'm going to shut it off. I'm going to go turn the water back on and see if it leaks. Okay, so I've got the water fully turned on now. That works. Clean up my mess a little bit. Now I will put the toilet fill line on the new valve. Tighten it up. Okay, it's snug, not going to overdo it. Open the valve. Toilet's filling. Shut the valve till it stops. Great. This is another successful repair. Now that my toilet valve is working properly, I'm able to make other repairs to the toilet without shutting off the water to the entire house. And I'm also saving myself of a potential bad situation where the toilet is overflowing and you can't quickly shut the water off and you cause excessive flooding. So it's always a good idea to make sure your toilet valve works. And like I demonstrated before, you do that just by flushing the toilet, turn the valve on, and you hear the toilet stop. With the valve leaking as it was before, you would still hear the toilet filling. So that is another successful repair. Hi, this is Hank. Thanks again for watching my videos on things you need to know now that you're a homeowner, or a vehicle owner, or if you just want to save money. I look forward to putting out many more videos. Please like and subscribe.